All right, Steve, we got you now.
All right. All right. Can everybody see me, hear me? Hear me, see me? Sorry, we got some technical difficulty. Mike, where's the YouTube? I can see how many people are waiting on MyFundedFutures of mine. And then TikTok. Luke, are we live? All right, my friends are saying they can
We're
hear
live,
me.
sir.
Okay. All right. Hey, everybody. Good evening. Sorry, we're a little late here. Technical difficulty here. 9 minutes late. Sorry. Brand new computer. Had to reprogram, and then Google gave us a security problem. So anyway. All right. So great day today trading gold. What do you think? You think gold goes over 4,000 today in the Tokyo session when the Chinese market? All right. Unbelievable. Hey, everybody. Hello, everybody. All right, Monday night here, Monday Night Football, and we got the Tokyo session, week number 5 here. Okay, great patterns today. Really great pattern on the S&Ps just right before we came on. S&P and NASDAQ. S&Ps dropped 3, NASDAQ dropped 14. Gold just shot up to 39.97 and then dropped 13. Today I called a short around 11 o'clock in the morning on the gold. I was shorting 93.5 up to 96.5, 97.5, and gold got up to 94.5. And I swear it dropped 5, then it dropped another 15, dropped another 2, dropped 22 off the high. What a short! I can't even say the word buy here, to be bluntly honest with you. All right, how is everybody today? Okay, kabooshed! Absolutely. Sandra, how are you? Okay. I can only say one thing, but short gold. I can't even think about buying gold here today. Anyway, it was a great day on the index futures, NASDAQ futures. Bitcoin make a new high. Bitcoin dropped about 1,500 points off the high. Great day. Hey, Lucas, how are you? Raphael, trades, kaboom. All right. Great day, everybody. Jonathan Duran, Sergeant Wobley, how are you? Your FedEx is going in the mail first thing in the morning, Sergeant Wobley. All right. So let's see what happened in gold today. I want to just show you again when you trade the underlying ETFs, all right, or you're trading the commodity futures or the index futures, or even crypto. Look at these beautiful pullbacks off the 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin here on the IBIT, which you have to be trading if you're trading Bitcoin. You have one pullback here, 2 pullbacks here. The short against the negative MACD, the long here, and the push up to new highs, the non-confirmation. So pretty much 5 great trades on the IBITs using the underlying ETF, right? But if you look here, okay, I want to show you the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. All right, if you look at the 30-minute and you look at the 60-minute time frames here, let me show you. Good evening. Hey, Trader 007. Okay, if you see here, you can see the ADX is rising here. Big monster buying pressure. The MACDs are confirming the highs. You see the ADX is rising here. Now, Bitcoin's up from 106,000, rally 20,000 in like 4 days here. Okay. All right. Rally like rally 20,000. And I'll even bring up the low here. If you look here on Bitcoin, I think it was 106,000. If you go back to the daily here, going back, 108,000. So roughly rally 18,000 points in 3, 6, and 8 days here. Unbelievable. There goes the gold pushing up, S&P's pushing down, NASDAQ. I am bearish on the index futures here. Gold on the double blue buy just now. This is a really great pattern on gold when we just walked in, if it wasn't for the 9-minute technical problem with Google here. So let me tell you the strategy. So when the MACDs are above the pivot on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames, the algorithm reverses the buy. You could take the short right here above 95. You wait for the pullback down to 89, and it drops 6, and then, of course, rallies 5. This is a great pattern. The algorithm reverses the buy when the MACDs are above the pivot, an overbought condition on the 15, 30, and 60, 5, 15, 30, and 60-minute algorithms are above the pivot. Okay, the MACDs are above the pivot. You take the short. you look for the pullback, you look to cover, and then you look to go long. All right. How many people think gold's going over 4,000 in this session tonight? How many people think gold's going to go over 4,000? Okay. Buy. I think gold's going to go over 4,000, run to 407, 410, 411, and you short the crap out of it. Could go up to 404, 405. Okay. But I will tell you, okay, that if it does that, it's not going to happen. It's not going to last. So normally the rule of thumb is it pushes up, it'll drop, and then maybe ultimately go to 4,200. But again, the higher it goes, I think the more downside will get down to 3,600, eventually make a higher low, and then continue to go to 4,500. All right. But I don't think it's going to go in a straight line. If you look at gold here on the daily, you can see the daily chart. You're $182 from the 10-bar moving average. If you just round it out, you're talking 3,800 on gold. All right. And that's a pretty decent drop. If that happens, you'll see here the algorithm reverses at 38.36 on the daily, which wouldn't be the end of the world, because then what you want to do is you want to eventually get what's called an oversold condition on the weekly. All right. And then get a deep oversold condition, set up a nice bull flag here around the 30. Look at this beautiful base. Gold's not breaking 3,400, 3,500 here. I'll tell you that right there. Okay. Some good news I wanted to share with everybody at sktrading.live. I want to tell you I am working on doing a giveaway, 10 giveaways a night for 2 weeks to my live stream every day at from 9 to 4 at SK Trading. We're just working with the developers to try to figure out, because I stream live in nanosecond. I don't do a delay. So it's very difficult, but we're working on that. And I hope to have this done by the end of the week, where every night I could give away 10 free coupons or raffles to people to be able to join my live stream for free for 2 weeks. So, all right. So I'm working on that. Eddie Sargent, how are you? 456 tonight. Slow here. All right. How many people think gold's going to hit 4,000 tonight? How many people think it's not going to hit 4,000 tonight? If you think 4,000, do 1. If you think it's not, hit 2. Let's see what the average is here. Okay. And again, I want to say thank you to Luke and the team. Denny's on vacation. I just want to say thank you for this great opportunity here for MyFundedFutures sponsoring the show and giving me the ability to host this here tonight. It's really great. All right. How many people think silver is going to go through 50? I think silver is going to. How many people think silver is going to hit 50? Okay. Where is this crazy silver? This silver is insane. Okay. Now, silver is a big number here. And let's look at silver. Oh, my God. Look at this silver. All right. $3 away from the 10 bar. All right. 475. Okay. All right. Now, we have a little bit of a situation here tonight. Luke had to run because of something personal he had to take care of. Okay. Family comes first. Remember that, right? Whether silver, it's well, on TradeStation, it's at SI or SIZ December 25. So, okay. So, with that, again, we just want to wish the best for Luke and everything, and hope everything's okay. So again, I'm all alone here tonight, which is not a problem. Ethan, how are you? Okay. Richard Sanchez, Zaid, how are you? Sergi Watt. All right. So 44, the Punisher, how are you? Okay. Server on TradingView, SII1. Is that SI1? Exclamation. Okay. I don't know the TradingView symbol. Okay. I don't know the TradingView symbol here. So anyway, I want to show you a really great pattern today on the QQQs. So again, when you're trading the underlying ETFs, you got to look at the underlying. When you're trading the index futures, you got to look at the underlying ETFs. Okay. So let me bring up the 60 and the 30-minute time frame. You see this push up this morning? What a monster short. Can anybody tell me why that's a monster short? Also, I host a podcast every night called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I had technical difficulties tonight and on Monday, but it will be airing again first thing tomorrow morning, okay, on my YouTube channel here. Can anybody tell me why this was a short on the Qs on the opening of the NASDAQ futures? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? Divergence. Yes, great. But what type? You want me to tell you? You're making new highs here, the push up. The MACDs are negative, okay? Right? You see the MACD negative. The price is pushing up into the negative MACD here on the 60-minute. So the MACD should be making new highs and going upward. Instead, the MACDs, you see this here? Okay? Gold just rallied 6. That was a beautiful double blue buy, but of course we were down when technical problems. So when the Qs pushed up here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see the high here, 608.61. They immediately dropped. Look at that, $2.80, $2.50 right here. Okay, all right. 2 trades in the morning, up 1,200. That's a great job. Now you see here the algorithm reversing the buy when the MACDs are above the pivot. That's also a short. But again, when the price actually made a new high on the 30 and 60, obviously, the MACDs didn't confirm. But when the 30-minute reversed to buy, then you look to take pullbacks on the 5-minute time frame. So all the pullbacks on the 5-minute time frame right around here. Here's this beautiful bull flag right here at 10.25. Here's another one. Look at this beautiful bull flag here. Beautiful bull flag. Okay. Another pullback here on the 5. So again, this is how you trade the market based upon looking at the underlying ETFs and using an indicator 4 to give me the ability to see where the market is going. And of course, I look at what's called RTH, which is real-time hours from 9:30 to 4 using the underlying ETF. And if you want to look at the continuous contract, well, then you have to look at the NQZ25. Look at this gold rally, not $7, $8. This thing's never giving up. Gold's going to 4,000 tonight. And I probably looked at short the first cabooshed. I want to see a cabooshin. All right. I know. Look at gold, right? Gold's pushing up here. Okay. So this strategy again on the gold is called a double blue buy signal, meaning that the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames are in buy mode. Gold making new highs here. There you go. Where is it? Here's the old high. Oh, 99. There it goes. If this gold gets up to the 03.5 to 07.5, I short it. Can gold go to 4,000 before the Chinese session? Okay. Good job. Who's up on that? Lucas? Good job, Lucas. 99 on the gold. Anybody have the nerve to sell the gold at 99 before 4,000? I might. I don't know. We'll see. But I think it's going to go through 4,000. And normally what happens, it'll run, okay, and then they get cabooshed. Okay, it'll run and then get cabooshed. Okay, all right, it'll run and get cabooshed. Up on the longs here. Good job, Kyle. Great job. It hit 99 earlier. It did. Can we get to 600 today? There's a China holiday in China today. Wow, good job, Neiman. Up 2,800 on the gold. I didn't see that today. Chinese. Michael, is that Chinese holiday? That Artan's saying my voice is breaking up.
That sounds true.
That is true?
Yeah, from what I've heard. Yeah.
Adam Diaz is saying my voice is breaking. May I ask where you're located? Jupiter, Florida. Jupiter, Florida. Okay, can we fix the voice?
This is the first I'm hearing of it. I can't fix that. Right.
Okay. All right. It's not breaking, Artan. All right. 506. There goes the gold. All right. So if gold gets up to that 03.5, 04.5, I'd be looking at scaling shorts up to 07.5. Okay. Voice sounds fine. Thank you, Eric. Artan. Maybe just log out and log back in. All right. All right. Again, on this double blue buy. So when the algorithm is above the pivot here, you look to take the short. Then you look for the pullback. Beautiful here, 89.5, and then rallies here. Gold just dropped $1. The question is, will they just drop the $1.50? Okay. Oh my God, just dropped 2. All right. All right. 39.89 on gold for a pullback. That was the pullback right here. This is it right here. This was the pullback right here. You see it right here? The oversold condition on the double blue, the 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames here. All right, let's cancel the gold short. We'll wait. We'll see. Gold just dropped $1.50, up 295. Hey, Trevine, how are you? 525. Go get them. Let's see if we get anything going here. Really great patterns today. Microsoft, great patterns. Tesla off the 15. NVIDIA reversed to sell on the 60. Great shorts on NVIDIA. AMD, what a short on the opening. 226. You blinked, it was down $9 on AMD. What a monster short on AMD. Now prediction, what? 43.50 on gold. Okay. All right. Again, if anybody, because of what's going on tonight, there's a Luke had to run, take care of a personal matter. We're going to do a nice raffle tomorrow. I don't have the capabilities of doing the raffle tonight, but we should do a big one. I may be able to. I'll see what he says here. I'll see how I can do this. But also for my site, sktrading.live, I'm going to be I'll be looking to give away 10 free each night for those of you who are here to join my live stream every day from 9 to 4. And it's only going to be for 2 weeks because I do stream a nanosecond. So, okay. Hey, Greg Tassio, how are you? Okay. All right. 542. Patrick, how are you? All good. Yeah. Good job, everybody. Let's do this. Artan, what do you think? 4,000 on this gold? Well, I have to see about the giveaways. Luke had to leave for personal reasons. So what do you think about S&P? Lower. You mean now or long term? All right, this gold, I short this gold 04.5 to like 08.5. Okay. Gold is like itching. Here we go. 99.5. What lunatic's going to pay 4,000 on gold? Close to 4,000. I'm watching. I'm watching, Lucas. I'm watching. $6,000 by July 20th. Oh my God. Holy cow. That'll be something. Pretty historic that gold's right now at just hit 39.60, right? Oh, I'm so tempted to short it. Oh my God. Against the 39.5. Just dropped 70. I agree. I think gold's going through 4,000. Okay. I think gold's going through 4,000. You didn't know MyFundedFutures splits? Okay. All right. I live in Jupiter, Florida. Good job, Keno. I got my second payout today with account 1 here with you. Good job, Keno. Great job. All right. Again, I'm actually thinking about doing a Sunday night. What do you think about me doing a Sunday night? I love it. I have no life as it is. But might as well, right? I got to talk to people about that. Okay. It says my audio keeps going in and out on TikTok, Michael.
I'm watching it right now. It's fine.
Okay, maybe you guys got to reset. Michael's saying it's fine. Right? Jonathan Schneider, you really want me to have no life. I'm thinking about doing it. I'm so crazy. I would love to do it. Right? I might do it. How's it sound?
Fine.
Okay, I might do it. Can we get to 600, please? Here goes gold, 99. 99. 4,000. There, take a picture. Our time. There it is. Hit 4,000. Okay. I still think it's going to go to 02.5, 03.5, 04.5 up there. It probably would want to short it. Hit 4,000. Now hit the first time. Okay. Gold hit 4,000. You saw it here for yourself. And of course, it's going to drop now. Drop the dollar. Okay. All right. Gold's a beast. Oh my God. It just got kabooshed our time. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, $4. Give me a break. No, Artan's a friend. Okay. Oh my God. Kabooshed. Where's Denny with the bear sound? I knew it was a short. Well, I didn't say 4,000. I thought if it got up, oh my God. Death. $5 drop in gold. Oh my God. Gary B is short. I said I'm the crazy enough to short it up there. Oh, wow. Smoke those longs, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Khalib. How do I know which time frame I'm looking at? I'm looking at the 5 and the 15 on this right now. Okay. I'm looking on the 5 and the 15. Gold hit 4,000, just got caboosed, $4.50. All right. I'm looking for shorts. I can't even say the word buy. You're crazy. All right. Going to 93. Well, we'll see. The 15s could roll over. I still think you're going to get a push up to 02.5, 07 up there. All right. Why is TradingView showing 39.70? Maybe you have delayed data? I don't know. I like 405. It could get to. I think gold is going to shoot up there. Probably raise it like 03.5 to 07.5 or 04.5 to 08.5 range. Look for a short. You sure China's on a holiday? You guys sure China's on a holiday? How many people want to do a Sunday night? I may want to do a Sunday night. But it's only for a couple hours, though. Anybody? Let's do Sunday. I like Sunday, right? 6. I will do like maybe an hour, 6 to 7 o'clock, 6 to 7:30, right? I kind of like it, right? I'm okay. It's done. I'm gonna do it. Let's got to figure if somebody to help me. Okay, do Sunday canoe. China has 7-day holidays. So right now we're in a 7-day. I'm looking this up. I don't see the holiday. Okay. Come on, guys. Can we get to 600 views tonight? Please hit the likes. Also, please follow me on my YouTube. Okay. Also, I have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button on that. Okay. And please subscribe to MyFundedFutures YouTube here as well. Okay. Futures with SK. Is gold going up? Aqua. Are you kidding me? Aqua just came late to the dance. Melvin, how are you, Melvin? All right, S&Ps and index futures doing nothing. This gold is going to fly. I would have your offers out there ready. Totally in on Sundays, right, Bigfoot? That's what I say. Raj, everybody wants me to have no life. The stream froze, Michael. Looks like on TikTok.
The more you say it, the more they're going to say it.
Well, I'm just letting you know.
Oh, you're talking about that? That's paused. It's not frozen.
Who paused it?
Me.
Why?
Because it eats up CPU.
But I thought I have a brand new computer.
Okay, we'll play it.
Okay, what does that mean? Don't be a wise guy to me. Don't be a wise guy. It's too late to be a wise guy. I'm telling you now. You know.
It's fine. I mean, really, it's fine.
Well, I'm just asking. I want things to look right. Enter sell now. I didn't say enter the sell now. I think gold gets up to the 03.5, 05.5. I'd be scaling into shorts. Yeah, today there's not gonna. It's gonna be hard to do with giveaways because Luke had a family, a personal matter. Okay, but we'll make it up for tomorrow night for sure. Okay, with MyFundedFutures. And today, just to be honest with you, MyFundedFutures has really done a lot. They've given away over 540 live accounts, prop 50K core accounts, and the scaling accounts year to date. So in 15 days, that's not bad, people. 540 one night. Okay, Aaron, how are you? But we're going to see. But also, I'm working on doing 10 giveaways a night to my live stream, 2 weeks for free. Because I stream a nanosecond, so it's just, I can't do more than that. So, but if you like what you have, okay. Nicholas Garcia, how are you? Come on, get this gold going here. Our time, push it through 4,000. Let's go, somebody. All right. Index futures. I am so freaking bearish on the index futures. I can't tell you. Look at this gold back down again here. All right, Victor Piera, how are you, Victor? All right. Let this gold get going here. 556. Can this gold get going? So I want to show you some really Bitcoin pushing down to new lows here. Bitcoin. I'll show you this pattern on Bitcoin here. Look at this gold. Look at this Bitcoin. If you guys are trading Bitcoin, all right, BTC USD. Look at this. The 15-minute, the 30-minute reverse to sell. Beautiful bear flag here. Here, 25,300, and you can see the drop here of about 600 here. Let's look what silver's doing here. Let's see what the silver is doing. Silver and gold. How many people think silver is going to hit 50 this week? Anybody? Anybody? 46 on silver, just dropped 8 cents. Anyone? Hey, Joshua. What's Joshua saying? All right. Milton, how are you? NASDAQ down 10. Yep. S&Ps just dropped about 3. ADXs are rising. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Off the overbought condition, 144. Down to actually dropped 12. All right. Bigfoot, SI 50 for sure. I agree. I think silver's. Somebody said if it hits 50, the banks are in trouble. Audio, Blaze, I'm here. No sound. Gary Korst. I don't know what's going on. Maybe refresh. Gold. 4,000 just got kabooshed. All right. All right. S&Ps, NASDAQ. This is what I'm talking about, the index futures. They just sit there. They just sit there and then boom, down, and they were up. Okay. All right. Gold got kabooshed. Oni. Hey, Oni, how are you? Mohammed. Mahir, how are you? Costa Rica, Doug. Okay, sound is fine. Thank you. Thank you for that. All right. So there's an 87% chance on Wednesday that the FOMC is going to cut a quarter point again. All right. Now, I think it's priced in already. Okay. So there's an old saying on Wall Street, you sell on good news, right? Do I think gold's going to go up? I'm looking to short the gold. Okay, if it pushes up. Hi, hey, Jeff Smith, how are you? That's a good question. If the FOMC, I think they're still going to have the meeting. I know the employment number was not released on Friday, but I do think that they're gonna have an interest rate decision though. Powell will just come to the podium and make a statement or something like that. Again, like I said, if anybody new, you could text me at 914-500-7484 if anybody wants to learn from me. Also, I have a website, sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4. And I'm looking to do 10 giveaways a night for 2 weeks free to my channel. Okay. It's a private channel, so I don't stream on YouTube. Okay. I have my own private nanosecond. It's like 1.5 second delay. I don't do like a 20 or 30 second delay. All right. All right. This gold, come on, give me a rally to short it. Okay. Thank you, Lucas. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your voice is cutting. Well, a lot of people are saying it's not. How do you know which time frame is kicking in? Well, basically, I look at the 15, 30, and 60 for my methodology, and then I'm looking off that time frame, off the non-confirmation. If you look at gold here on the bigger time frame, making the new high, okay, right here, you're making the new high, the non-confirmation on the 30, and you can see the 60-minute time frame, the non-confirmation on the 60. This is the short today. I hit 94.5, the non-confirmation on gold. And then it got absolutely kabooshed in one bar all the way down from 94.5 to 69. Absolutely unbelievable short. Absolutely unbelievable short. Plan Zero, how are you? Okay, sound is good. Joshua Torres, thank you very much, brother. Thank you. All right. So right now, I want to see if gold can get a push up to look to get short. I'm going to keep silver up because if gold starts flying, I think silver is going to fly as well. And we'll be able to look to see if I can type. Of course, the stupid computer, brand new computer. All right, gold just dropped 4 off the highs. Plan Zero, how are you, Plan Zero? All right, can we get to 600 views here? Okay. All right, again, those of you who are on TikTok, when we do our raffle, whether it's sktrading.live and or MyFundedFutures, you need to go to the MyFundedFutures YouTube in order for us to be able to participate in the raffle. Again, I'm going to wait to hear what Luke says about doing a raffle tonight. Again, he had to leave for personal reasons. So that's more than, for me, personal, family, everything comes first before anything. So, but we got this. Look at this gold drop. Oh, my God almighty. Oh, please like and share, everybody here. Okay, MyFundedFutures. Please subscribe as well to my YouTube, SK Trading, and MyFundedFutures. Gold just dropped 6. Wonderful. All right, let's see if we get one more push up on the 5-minute. Ryan Nichols, absolutely. Family first, absolutely. Gold and silver dumping. Well, silver just dropped 10 cents. Gold just dropped 6. Not out of the game yet. Not out of the game yet. All right, index futures, 30-minute and 15-minute time frames reversed on the S&P and NASDAQ futures. However, the 30-minute and the 60-minute time frames are deeply oversold here, which wouldn't be surprised if you look at the S&P futures here. You may get one more push up here off the 60 right here on the deep oversold. You can see the deep oversold condition on the 60 here. Here's the 60. So let's just see. You may get one more push up. Any push up is going to make a lower high with these negative MACDs. Look at this high, 97. S&P's, I think that was the high today, 97.75. Did hit 6,800 on Friday. Okay, did hit 6,800 on Friday. Your voice is broken. Okay, I don't know what to say. Everybody's telling me it's not. Seems like gold just wants to go. I mean, I can't buy gold here. I just can't do it. I'll kill myself. I can't. And then you buy gold at 93 and it goes down to 73 and you want to kill yourself. I just can't do it. I'm more looking for shorts than longs. Okay. And if you do take broken on SK channel, who cares? It works here. Okay. I can hear you just fine. Khalib, no in and out. Thank you, Josh. Josh U Tours. Voice is good. Thank you, Adam Daz. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, there goes the S&Ps, gold. We got 8 minutes here. Hit this 4,000 mark and then got kabooshed. NASDAQ right back up. S&Ps again pushing up. This is off the 60-minute time frame here. Do you guys understand my methodology? Michael Pitts, great to see you today. Michael Pitts drove up from Fort Lauderdale to come visit me today and did very well. 3,600 on SIM. Great job. Very proud of Michael Pitts. Okay, again, Michael Pitts was trading and he was doing in the scaling in and scaling out. He was doing too close of entries, especially on the NASDAQ. If I call a range, a $5 range or a $4 range in gold, I'm looking to scale in short into that range based upon the strategy. It's very difficult if you're going to start scaling in very tight and do every 2 points, you'll just get run over, especially if the NASDAQ starts moving, okay? All right. Michael Pitts, it was a pleasure. How about that? Look at this. Look at this gold down $9. I'm going to actually blow my brains out. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God. Great job, Michael Pitts. Really, it was a really great. And again, anybody who wants to text me or call me, 914-500-7484. And anybody in the Florida area, you want to stop by and hang out, you can definitely give me a call. All right. Oracle was a nice trade today. Let me see Oracle here. Look at this gold. Oh, my God almighty, down 11. Oh, that's why I was, can you believe it hit 4,000 and then got kabooshed? Oracle today. Oracle hit what? The 295 level right here. Pushed up. Here's a 60. 296. Drop 5. Yeah, a lot of things were moving today. Avago was moving today. Avago. I can't buy anything. Are you crazy? Silver, cabooshed. Everybody's saying cabooshed now. I got to make it cabooshed up here. I got to get the caboose t-shirts. And then you got the silver just dropped from what, 48, 45. Oh my God, silver. Cabooshed. Oh, come on. Up 1,100 that gold drop. Joe Santiago, there's my catcher. Joe, now batting, number 37, catcher, Joe Santiago. Love that. I got my catcher. There he is. All right, Nikim, how are you? Got to trademark it. I did already. Cabooshed. Are you crazy? All right, I'm talking to Denny about printing out cabooshed and kaboom t-shirts with MyFundedFutures on it. What do you think about that? And maybe we'll do that as a giveaway. Actually, that might be a really great thing to do. That might be fun. Steve, can you check with chat to see if you're lagging? Michael, you want to answer that?
You're not lagging, Steve.
What?
You're not lagging.
Okay, I'm not lagging.
They're just going to mess with you if you keep reading them.
Okay, well, I got to read it. What about the Blue Jays? Well, what about the Yankees? How bad is that? Brutal. Okay, let's see here. Up 13. If you want to take oh my God, why would I do this? I hate to say it. I think gold's more of a short than a long here. Come on, everything's fine. Due to trading, how are you? Up 2,200 on my funded. Good job, Ani. Great job. I can't believe this freaking gold hit 12,000, dropped $12. And I said I'm the crazy one to short at 99.5. Okay. All right, gold making new lows here in the Asian session. You got to worry about stop orders here. You really do. Okay, you got to really you're logging and kabooshing your stream. Okay. All right. I can't. Okay, Coach Fred, not lagging for me. Good job. Can we get this to 600? Can you guys give me some thumbs up and likes, please? Also on my YouTube. Okay, here not reading the comments. Nathan, I don't know what's going on, guys. Cha-ching. All right. Look at this gold get absolutely kabooshed. Good Lord God. Okay, good Lord God. Look at this. This is crazy. If the war is gone, why the gold will jump more and more? Well, I think gold I think is jumped because of the anticipation of interest rates being cut. Okay, that's what I think is happening here. That the anticipation of interest rates being cut. Oh my God, gold down 14. I want to kill myself. I was so ready to short that thing going through 4,000. All right, gold will find a level here, maybe 81.5, 82. We'll see. Your voice cut off. Okay, I don't know. Everyone shows some love. Thank you, Berto Logic Systems. You're up here, 500 views. Please hit the stream. Please hit the like. I agree, guys. Got my first skill in at 39.44 stock itch. You're a better man than me. Okay, I was ready to pull the trigger. Okay, not hearing everything you're saying. Juke. Okay. I don't know. I'm here. 39.75, 38.74 is where you think it's going? Could. Listen, gold could get a caboose in here. Okay, then we're going to have to look to buy it because it'll snap back up. Gold's not going to hit 4,000 and then get caboose straight down. It's going to drop and then rally. So what's the level, though? What's the level? Is the level going to be 82.5, 78.5, 80.5 range? Is it going to be, down to 83.5? I got to watch it. I want to see if the 15s can get deeply oversold here. I mean, down 14 is pretty big here. Okay, 610, great job. Okay.
Steve, can you break for like 60 seconds and see?
My first time here. Love the vibe, Steven. Thank you, Adam Daz. Hey, if you want to take a long on this gold, okay, again, if you want to take a long, I would probably look to switch to micros, 81.5 to 85.5. The 15, actually, I would go probably 81.30, 85.30 on gold. Okay. And I would use a 79.30 stop, and I would switch to micros. Okay. All right. Silver might get one more push up here. Gold, what did this gold just get down to? 85.5, 85.40. All right. Is it back?
No.
No, of course not. Okay. All right. Why are we not on the regular? Why are we on Verizon?
Well, it's an Aaron question.
Well, I pay for the other one, right? I don't. Okay. I agree. It's clean. Why can we switch to the other one? Or no, it's too late. Probably not.
There's no ability to on this computer.
What?
There's no Ethernet.
He built the computer where I can get internet?
Ethernet,
What's that?
like the physical.
The plug-in? I had the only other one, didn't I? So what did I pay for? I don't understand.
It has Wi-Fi, but
You just
you
made me
you
get.
need to add a network card is what
Why wasn't it included?
I didn't build it.
Can you ask him?
So I said this is an Aaron question.
All right, gold. If gold is traded down, let's see if you can. I'd sell some gold here above 86 here. If it gets up here. Gold taking more time here. It's taking a little bit longer. All right, 618, reset. No, it's not it. I got a problem. Okay, there goes the gold. You get the gold?
Yeah.
Good job. Good. All right, I would raise your stops on the gold here. Gold just got down to what, 85 and change? 84.40. Good job. Just rallied 2 off the lows. I'd be scaling out of longs on here on the gold. Okay. No, I got some. Trust me, I need a lot of new things in life. Look at the gold. I rallied 3 on the gold. All right. Internet is different. I know what it is. Restart your live. Oh my God. All right. Anybody get that long, little scalp, little long on gold? Again, for me to say long on gold, I was really, I got to tell you, honestly, I'm not a fan of buying gold here. I'm looking more to short it on any rally here, to be bluntly honest with you. Anybody get that little quick, little long on gold on that? I'm not hooked up to the building.
No,
You heard Verizon?
just the Verizon, yeah.
All right, that should have been switched. All right. So after this stream, okay. All right, no problem, AJ. How are you? Come on, give me a rally to get short, please. Very quiet here. All right, we got about 7 minutes. So there's no China session tonight? I got to look this up. Oh, you got the scalp long on the practice? Which is short? Good job, Mars Trade. Only those in your office can hear you. Nobody here can hear anything what you're saying. Michael, you want to address this before I kill myself, please? Sideways now. Is your paid service in the morning only? Huh?
You're going down.
Okay. Why?
on there for a second.
On TikTok? No sound. Oh, yeah. Anybody? Sound is back. You guys can hear me? Is it fixed? Okay. Wonderful. Whew. Yeah, you should have did that today, right after the close, Michael, once the internet was back up. You know?
I was meeting with.
Well,
Okay.
but I'm just saying.
Right after the close, we had
I understand, but
your podcast.
But I understand. But I'm saying we should have switched to the real internet after the Verizon. The Verizon's just a backup, right? I can't get the trade station to work. All right, so it looks like the Chinese market is closed till the 8th. Wonderful. All right, not bad. All right, let's see if this gold, silver can get one more push up. Anybody can hear me now? Your stream is good. Thank you, guys. All right. Your mic is on toggle mode. I don't know what to say. Sound good now? Still not in. All right. Nailer 88, you're killing me. All right. We can hear you good. All right. We switched to the regular internet. We had internet problems here all day. I can't get my chart to work, Michael. Over here. The charts aren't working. So I don't know what's going on. All right. So we saw gold hit 4,000 right here. Kabooshed. 4,010. That's nice. Okay. But I have the gold chart up here. Anybody can see the chart? Okay, back to trading. Let's go. You cabooshed the mic. I didn't caboosh the mic. The computer cabooshed me. Okay. Should be working here. Okay. Can anybody hear me now? 4,010. Unbelievable. Okay. Can you imagine the tech nightmares in the room? The fact that guys are. Oh my God. You have no idea. I swear to God, this is why they made scotch. Really. Really. This is why they made scotch. Michael, can you get my charts to work or no?
No,
Why?
because I don't do that. Billy does that. I have no idea.
But it's internet. It's right here. I'm hitting the sim and it's not working.
On your main computer?
Yeah, right here. Look.
Oh, these are not your main computer.
That's my main computer.
It's your servers.
Okay, so why aren't they working?
Because it's your servers.
So you took the internet down.
I
What?
I took the internet down, but I don't do this. Okay, this is not what I do. I don't do this. Justin does this or Billy.
Well, all I know is you hit the sim and it should work.
I don't know how to do it, is what I'm saying. If you want me to take the internet down, I can do that.
No, I don't want to take the internet down.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's see if this guy. I got the gold working here. So the problem is, I wanted to leave silver up too. So gold rallied off the lows here, 84.40. This got up to 88.5. So rallied about 4. Okay. So there's no Chinese market. All right. Arton's saying we're off a little bit. No, absolutely not, Judge Gio. Okay. Absolutely. Kabushim. Oh my God, you have no idea. I just want to just walk in and have everything up and running. I just can't take it. Okay. Of course, there's Hong Kong and Singapore. Absolutely. All right. Is this gold going to make new lows here or what? S&P is absolutely doing nothing here. Index futures doing nothing. All right. And again, when you see the gold making new highs up, this is why I was thinking, oh, here we go. Come on, give me stop orders. Yeah, baby. Bring me down to 76.5. You see the negative MACDs here? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. If this gold gets down to the 73.5, 77.5, if they got stop orders, I look to buy it. Okay. Let's go. Giveaway link. Sabine, we got little problems here with the family, so we got to make sure. All right. Gold's getting oversold here. Gold's down almost 20 off the highs. Just trading at 81.5 negative MACDs. What's the 30 and 60 look like here? I think they're going to get kabooshed. Oh, wow. Big number here, 73.14. Just gold just rallied 2 just now. Your mic is toggle. Go watch them on YouTube. Okay. All right. All right, cancel that buy range. Just got down to 81.5. And just rallied $2.50 here. You're getting deeply oversold here on the 15-minute time frame on gold. Just ran 3. Let's if we do get one more flush, order flow showing got me sweating. I hear you. Ethan, how are you? Ethan, let's go. Can we get to 700? Can you guys give some likes here too? 611. Come on my YouTube. Kaboosh the darn sound. I know. I gotta wait for Denny. Denny's got the soundboard. I don't have the soundboard. Denny's on vacation on the boondoggle. Come on, guys, give it likes over here. And can we guys subscribe? Hit the subscribe button to MyFundedFutures and to my YouTube, please. Hit the subscribe button, please. Okay. And again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for sponsoring me here till the end of the year and hopefully into 2026. Okay. Really love doing this here at night. And I am going to consider, I'm probably going to talk about doing the Sunday night as well. I love that. I would love doing that. Right? Sunday night, probably only for like an hour or so, an hour and a half, maybe tops. You get that one pop up and then it just stays there. It doesn't do anything or pop down. Right? Thank you, Adam Daz, Nicholas Garcia. We're chilling tonight, mate. Well, tried to short the gold here, called one low scalp long here, another scalp long here, didn't get it. 15s are getting deeply oversold. Gold's down 19 off the highs. TikTok work not working correctly. Okay. Scalper. Caboose the sound guy. I agree. Denny's on holiday. You got to give Denny some time off here. And anybody new, you could text me at 914-500-7484. I'd love to hear from you. All right. A lot of people, I'm in the SQQQ 3 weeks ago, hold for sell. I would buy more. What are you long, like 15 and a half, 1540, 1560 foresight? I would definitely be looking to buy more. Okay. Do you have gaps in the market that are just absolutely, that I think are going to get filled? Now, do I think they're going to break 6,000 the first time? No. When they drop? No, I don't think that. But okay. Trading how? KJ 411, you're killing me. All right. Yo, hey, Pine Tree Trader, how are you? Pine Tree Trader. Chris W. just coming in. Did I hear you say sell gold? No, I said gold. If the gold got through 4,000, I wanted to short the hell out of it. Made 1380 on the short, locking in the night. Savine, good job on the gold. Good job, Tavine. Fiber Spice God. Okay. Okay. Again, I'm trying to get the stream to work a little properly here tonight. I got a new computer, so hopefully TikTok might working. If TikTok's not working, please go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. Period. Okay. Period. All right. All right. If this gold gets down, if you want to take a scalp long on this gold, I look to get long 77.5, 81.5 range. All right. And let's see what this silver looks like here. Let's see what this silver looks like. This silver is probably going to get ready for a pop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, the silver. Getting deeply oversold here on the 15. You see the silver here? Look at this. You're pushing up into these negative MACDs here. You see that? Unbelievable. Look at the 30-minute silver. Look at this. The new high here, MACDs non-confirming, the negative MACDs. I don't know. Look at the 60-minute silver. Anybody trade silver here? Anybody? Wow, good job. Good job there on the micro. All right, let's see if this gold's going to get one more push up off the 15s here. That's the wrong stunt symbol. Anybody trade platinum or copper? Anybody trade copper or platinum? Gold just rallied 2 again here. Got down to 81.5. Here we go. All right. Again, I would switch to micros if you want to take this long here. I'm more worried about stop orders, believe it or not. Short City, I agree. Short the world. How's the MACD on gold? On what time frame? Okay. K-Rod, on what time frame? Silver wants to go to 50, 60 while nobody's looking. I agree. City. Okay. Foresight, I'd probably look to buy more SQQQs here. Okay. I would look to buy. Anybody trade copper or platinum? Anybody trade copper or platinum? Anybody? Again, we were all scheduled to have a big raffle tonight, and you're setting NASDAQ 1750. No, I've been scalping short NASDAQ. I agree, Rhino. Good job. That's a great job, Rhino. Okay. PL is crazy. Platinum is crazy. Nope. Copper is even crazier. I don't know. Gold might have traded below that might have been before us. I still think the 15s are going to turn up here to get one more push up on the gold. Okay. I think the 15s are going to turn up here and get one more push up. Raffle, please. Well, I'm going to try to do the raffle here. Yeah, Black Mom. I love that name. But again, we have a family situation that Luke had to take care of. Remember, families first, right? So if we get a chance to do the raffle, if not, we'll definitely do a bigger one tomorrow. Okay. I went long, like you said, 81.90. Okay, I would raise your stops. So just look to scalp long. Chris W. I still think you're going to get a push up here on the gold off the 15. Okay. Okay. Black Mamba. I love that name. Right? Kill Bill. Black Mamba. Right? Thank you, Ethan. Thank you. And we had no Luke here tonight. Again, our Traders Cafe logo, t-shirts. We only serve shorts and longs, no venties. Love that. I love that, Nick Pina. I tell you right now, if I can't wait. I'm going to hear some news by the end of next week. God willing, I build this Traders Cafe in West Palm. Going to build a big studio, big warehouse, gut it out, podcast center, trading center. Probably anywhere from 100 to 200 traders will be allowed to trade there with me every day. I'm telling you, oh my God, I would never leave. I would never leave. Bathroom, big TV room, man cave, right? Can you imagine? I will swear to God, I will never leave. Never leave. Shower, couch, bed, big room for teaching. Oh no, I'm doing it. I'm dying. And then I'll invite all you guys to come down. It'd be unbelievable. Can you imagine the Traders Cafe, full cafeteria for 200 people? Well, I'm looking to have 200 people every single day in the Traders Cafe. Okay, and that would mean the world to me to have that built. Okay, right here in West Palm, baby. I'm telling you, there's nothing better. I live in Jupiter. I'm 4 miles from the beach, right? And I love it here. I love it. Just went to dinner tonight. Took Jeff and Michael Pitts to the River House. We had an unbelievable prime rib sandwich. Forget it. It's over. Right? Pizza buffet? No, Gary B. Real food. Okay? All right? Real food. Bigfoot's in. How many people would come and visit at the Traders Cafe? I'm telling you right now. Oh, God, I can't. I'm telling you, I'm inches away from getting this done. Inches. Yeah, buy a hotel. Wow. Michael Pitts will be there. Unbelievable. You know what, really? I got to just tell you something, right? I've been doing this now 43 years, and there's no greater joy in my life than see all of you succeed. I'm not the rah-rah guy. I'm not, even though I'm 90% crazy, but I'm not rah-rah in the sense where I'm looking for you guys to just constantly buy evals and pay money. My goal is to make you consistent, that you get payouts, okay? All right? And that's, to me, is the most important, okay? Have I ever cried? No. I told you the story. I came home one day. It was called the New Year's Eve Massacre. I lost like $200,000 on it was a bad and balanced day. And I walked in. My wife said to me, "Oh, hi, how are you?" She said, about 50 people are coming over soon. Hey, this gold, I look to buy this gold if it gets to the 73.5, 77.5, if it gets kabooshed here. Okay. 79. If it gets down to the 70, probably 75, 79 range, I'll look to buy it. So my wife says to me, "Hey, how you doing? How was your day?" I said, "Don't ask." She said, "I have 50 people coming over." I go, "Good. Tell them I died. I'm going in the basement. Bring me a plate at 9 o'clock and bring the kids to me. I don't want to talk to anybody." That was it. It. Okay. So, I never was suicidal because guess what? The next week, I made it back double. Okay. I just made it back double. Hand on the mouse. So I have a lot of women traders, and I adopted a dog, Hendrix. I saved him from being put down. 16 people brought him over from Houston, Texas. And now he's with me. He's about 110 pounds. He's the size of Secretariat, right? So I always have different sayings. Hand on the paw. Look, paw on the mouse. I can't even see anymore. Look at this gold. 79 right back up. Jesus, Lord God. Anyway, this is a great t-shirt. Also, I'm thinking about getting Kaboom and Kaboosh t-shirts with MyFundedFutures on them. We'll be giving those away. I'm going to talk to Luke. This is the logo for Kabooshed, right? Oh, my God, this gold's $5 up. Well, we had the first range. Anybody, you buying more?
I bought some more. Just right then. Yes.
Good job. Look at that. That's the Kabooshed, okay? And I'm going to try to get Denny to get the Kaboom. So Denny's on holiday. Anybody get that long on gold? My wife? What's that? My wife in gold caboose tonight. Oh boy. No comment. All right. Gold just if gold gets down there again, let's see. The 15s are what's saving the gold right now on that little push down. Okay. All right. Good job, Keith Singleton. Good job, Keith. Great job. Eddie Sargent missed it. I thought it was going lower. No, you got to look at the 15, Eddie Sargent, and you can always switch to micros, right? Okay. Long or short NASDAQ. If I had to take a long, I would I would probably look to take a long on the NASDAQ between the 08 and 28 range on NASDAQ. Black Mamba, you caught the long 78, 79. The low is 79, Black Mamba. Anybody? Okay. Raphael trades. I'm long 80-20. Good job, Gabriel. Raise your stops. Here he goes to gold. Sergeant Wobley. Okay. Shorting this rally? I wouldn't. Not with these 15s turning up. Look, not me. I want gold to go higher. All right. And again, you know, I'm doing this tonight. Normally I have Denny or Luke. And Luke had to leave for a personal reason. So took a long at 78. Gold never got to 78. The low is 78.90 right here. Up 300. Look at this. Block. Good job on the gold long. Black Mamba, hand on the mouse. Not finger on the mouse. Hand on the mouse. Hand on the mouse. Hand on the mouse. Now, normally we would have a raffle here tonight. Okay. Again, I'm still waiting to hear if Luke. My short finally closed at. All right, good job, Ryan Nichols. All right, you lowered your stop. Good job. Hand on the mouse, Black Mamba. I'm shorting 39.15. I'm short at 39.50. Okay, 15.16. I would be covering shorts. I mean, it just rallied $6. Pull on the mouse. Absolutely. All right, Steve, do you ever get rid of most edges in the market? What? What's most edges? Roy trades? I don't know what that means. Guys, how do the giveaways work? Well, what we've done, we've given away over 540 giveaways. There's a link to sign up, and then we do a raffle. Either the AI picks it or the wheel picks it. 4,000 retests? Absolutely. Do a raffle personally from your room? I haven't joined yet. Chris W., I don't have the technology yet. So basically what I'm also looking to do is have a raffle every single night for 10 people to join my live stream for free for 2 weeks. Okay? And then if you like it, you like it. If not, it's $99 a month, $4.50 a day. You get the live stream every day from 9 to 4, my chart overlay, and my member Discord where you could talk to me directly. It's not Luke's birthday. No. It's me birthday. Keith, good job. Aaron, how are you? Are you still waiting for 3 to bounce? I'm waiting to see if the 15s are going to turn up more. I'm looking for a short. It's Denny's birthday today? That's right. He's away with friends. Thanks, Lucas. Looking for longs in gold? Yep, I'm looking for longs in gold. All right? It's worth every penny. Thank you, Ryan, for saying that. Thank you. Thank you. And again, I've been doing this 43 years, trading nearly 2 billion shares in my life. Impeccable track record. Again, for me, the most important thing is for you all to be consistent. Okay? People come here, they work with me, no trades for you now. How come do the trade? That was a nice little long down there, below 80, 79.5. How do you invest in long term? I don't. I believe in trading every day and compounding your returns. Okay, if 83, I'm not breaking the 5-minute flip long. I would not. I think the 15s are turning up here. Okay, silver, with a silver rally on that, silver was trading 20.5. All right, silver just rallied 3 cents. Actually, silver got down to, oh my God, silver just ran 10 cents. This silver is crazy. I love this silver. Anybody trade silver? Everybody, let's give out a big shout out to Denny. Happy birthday for Denny. Denny, Now, tomorrow, if we don't do a raffle today, I will tell you that we're going to do a very big raffle tomorrow. Okay. Again, personal reasons, Luke had to leave. And again, I wanted to tell everybody, remember, we're all respectful here and family comes first. Remember that, right? Family and health comes first, right? That's the most important thing. All right. Okay. All right. All right. USD gold. Yes, that's what we look at. USD gold. Silver just ran. Would you buy 80 and a halves on there?
No, I hit 79.
You bought 79s?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So a lot of people, you know what a lot of people have been telling me? They're saying to me, you know what they've done? There's a girl, Crystal, who came to visit me from Virginia. I turned it all around for her. Spent the whole week with me. Great person, actually. And one of the things that she did was she set up a bunch of accounts to trade S&P, a bunch of accounts to trade gold, and then she's doing a bunch of accounts just to trade the Tokyo session, Asian market. And I got to tell you, it's a great philosophy. Also, I don't know if you guys are allowed to do this. Let's say you start scaling into a position, right? And you guys want to start using micros, right? You start doing micros, okay? And then let's say you know, gold's running, you short a couple here and it runs a little bit. Are you allowed to switch to big ones on prop? Okay, can you go to big ones right away? Why are you scared of gold? How do you get over it? I don't know. Take 2 aspirin. I have no idea. Don't be scared of anything. Don't be fearful. Okay, Michael Pitts. So you could actually do micros and then minis. Then I would do that. Okay, I agree. I only trade the big ones. Okay, consistent rule kicks. You guys can't be fearful. You know, just fear itself. Still short gold, hand on the mouse. Black Mamba, come on. It rallied 6 off the low. All right. If rallied 6 off the low, these index futures actually are buckus here tonight. If you're not scared of gold, what are you not scared of? I haven't been scared of anything in the markets. 4-hour gold looks like a nice rejection. I don't look at the 4-hour, look at the 60-minute. XAUS gold, I don't look at XAUS gold. Maria, hey Maria C, welcome Maria C. Okay, welcome Maria C. I only trade 3 micros at a time. All right, so Chris, let me explain one thing to you, okay? And I want to just be very bluntly honest with all of you. If you're going to trade, okay, you have to decide. You can't do 3 micros. If you're doing a gold, you can do whatever you want. I can't tell you what to do. But let's say you go 1, 2, 4. You scale in. It's called laddering. You can't do 3 and then walk away and do single lot entry. Does everybody know what a single lot entry is? That's like saying, okay, I'm going to short gold. That's why I wouldn't short the gold here. The 15s, gold was around $7 just now. Okay. That's why I was looking to buy the gold down there. And trust me, I hate even saying the word buy gold. Okay. But you can't do single lot entries. Are the Dodgers winning or losing? They're playing the Phillies. Can I explain single lot entries? Yeah. You just decide, hey, I'm going to short gold at 8. Let's say I call a range in gold. I'm not doing it. But let's say I call a range in gold. 86 to 90. And it gets to 87. You sell 3 lots in gold. Now it goes to 87.5. It goes to 88.5. It goes to 89. You can't just be short gold at 86, okay, and watch it go up. So the first thing you got to remember is, or think about, is how many contracts do you want to sell? Okay? Are you going micros? You're going minis, right? And so if you want to sell, let's say 10 micros, then you go 2, 4, and maybe you go 1, 2, 4. That's 7. Or you go 1, 3, and then you do, that's 4, and then you do 6. Okay? And you scale up. Okay? All right? VWAP 39.90, it could get there. Okay? It could get there. Can we get to 700? Can we get some more likes here? We only have 85 likes. Come on. Okay? Gate is too tight on the mic setting. I don't know what that means, Fibonacci loop. Okay. Mike, you know what that means? Where's my Discord? I can't see my Discord. S&Ps aren't even moving. We long. I called a long. $6, $7 lower. You're off your rocker with prop firms? Why am I off my rocker? Why? Am I something scared of life? Yeah, leaving this office. Chris W., how far it stops frequently and using 50K propaganda. Okay, if you're not going to blow it on the micros, so if you go 1, 2, 4, okay, so if I call a range in gold, let's say I make this up, 86 to 90, your stop's 92. Okay, big deal. That's it. How old are you, Denny? Denny's not here. Okay.
Denny's in the chat.
Denny's in the chat?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know Denny was. I thought Luke told me Denny. Denny, we gonna do any raffles tonight, Denny? Denny turned 78. Oh my God. All right, Black Mamba. Where's my target now? I don't know. The higher it goes, the more I want to short it. These S&Ps and NASDAQ futures aren't even moving. Oh, wait. I've been trading since 19, what was it? When did I start on the floor? 1983. So 43 years ago, I've been in the game. It's Denny's birthday. Okay, NASDAQ. If you bought the NASDAQ, you should have kicked these NASDAQs out. I said look to buy 05 to 25. Just got up to 41 on the NASDAQ. Anybody get that long on the NASDAQ? Okay. I was born in 83. That's when I started. All right. Mike cuts off. Okay. Happy birthday, Denny. You got the NASDAQ. Eddie Sargent, that's a great long. Okay. Again, that was off the 60-minute time frame. S&Ps rallied as well. Look at that. S&Ps really not moving much here. Just ran 2. Let's get this gold back up. Silver just ran. S&Ps ran 6. Okay. I'm here. Kaboosh. Well, we're not here yet. All right. Denny, are we gonna do any raffles tonight? Denny?
He said no, they're not home.
Oh, he's no raffles tonight?
Yeah.
All right. Short silver? Let me see. What's silver? Well, we got to make it up tomorrow. The 15s are turning up here. I would wait for silver to get more overbought on the 15. Oh, you're not here? Okay. All right. Ryan Nichols. Okay. Love silver. Me too. I'm telling you. You catch the silver right, man. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. All right. Fingers are covered in cake icings. Denny, you going to be back tomorrow, Denny? Denny, you be back tomorrow? Or Luke will be back? What are you up on the overnight here?
113 on 5.
It's not bad. Try, you did a couple more contracts, you could probably be about 250 on 5.
Yeah, I'm doing
The overnight session should try to make anywhere between 300 and 500 if you can do that. 250 to 500.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing 816.32.
All right. Yep. Denny be back tomorrow. Damn. I'm sure Denny's going to have a nice surprise for us after his birthday. Black Mamba short of 85. 87 was the high here. Okay. I want to see gold get up 39.50. Let's go. Oh, my God. A gold's still for a long 605. Come on. Guys, can we get to 650, 700? Can we get these likes up here? Only got 85 likes. Come on. And on mine, I only got 4 likes. Give me a break. Come on. Okay. Where's my Discord, Michael? I can't see.
I don't know. I can't connect to your computer ever since plugging in.
417 likes. Where do you see 417 likes? I see 85. Am I losing my mind?
425 on the MyFundedFutures.
Where? I'm looking around. I see 85. Look right here.
You gotta refresh the page.
Wonderful. Now it's frozen. Wonderful. 431. Okay. 53 likes. Guys, look to subscribe too. There it goes. We just got another 1,000 subscribers on the MyFundedFutures. Guys, on my SK Trading, please subscribe there as well. Okay. Forex Elite, how are you? All right. Thank you for the 400. I had to refresh. Thank you. 438 likes. Thank you, guys. All right. So NASDAQ just rallied about 15, 18. Gold just dropped about 3 here, hit that 87, actually 4. All right. Let's see if this gold can get one more push down here. All right. Mike cuts off. All right. I don't know what else. And anybody new, if you'd like to contact me, by the time he gets home, the stream will be over. Okay. All right. So Denny will be with me tomorrow night and looking forward to it. Who's short to go to 85? Somebody. Derek? Okay. Go to 39.09. Oh, my God. I hope. All right. See the negative MACDs here? I was looking for a push up with these negative MACDs here. I was looking, the high was 87. I was hoping maybe we got here. I still think we're going to get another push up here. If you look at gold here on the, oh my God, this 30-minute time frame. If this gold 30-minute time frame turns up. And anybody new, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484. Anybody new? Okay. Also, I'm looking to give away 10 access passes to my live stream for 2 weeks for free. I'm working on that. Michael, hopefully we'll have this done in the next week. And by Monday of next week, I'll be raffling off 10 free giveaways to my live stream. Oh my God, Denny turned 29 today. Okay. Denny said there might be something special for tomorrow night. Denny says something special might be coming. Uh-oh. Denny's in a good mood. He's 29. Can you imagine? Oh, my God. I wish I was 29 again. Can you imagine me 29? Oof, forget it. What a nut I would be. Oh, my God. Refresh the stream. I did already. Thank you. 440 likes. Thank you, everybody. All right. Hand on the mouse till you make your day. How many people, what's the average goal for everybody? 300, 500,000? What is their goal on linked accounts? Anybody give me an idea? Anybody give me an idea what your link, what's your goals are set for the day? Anybody? Anybody have a preference on when you hit your goals? Are you guys disciplined enough? I'm just starting to be positive. Brian Nichols, great job. 5 to 1,000. That's exactly right. 1,000 on 5 account. I like that one. I think that's doable. Jose, hi, Carl. What I look for in trading Asian, I've always had ups and downs. Carl, you can text me at 914-500-7484. What I look for, okay, 200 on 5 copiers. That's a great one. 10 accounts, 300, absolutely. $500 a day, 1,500 times 10. I like that one. Born to lead. Love that. Michael Pibbs, 500 across accounts. I love it. Okay. I love it, love it, love it. No goal, only trade setups. Okay. Well, we trade we do about 100 trades a day in here. Probably about 60% of them are index futures, index and commodity futures. So, okay. 3 to 400. I agree. All right. 250 rebeat. Okay. There you go. Born to lead, like the aggressiveness. My goal is just be positive. Okay. Smoke to eaters. Whatever the market gives you, Aaron. Aaron, you know what we do here today, right? You know what we do, Aaron. Aaron's been with me a long, long time. Aaron's been with me a very long time. And I'm proud of him. Very, very proud of him. Okay. 400 days. Aim is 2,000 a week. You do 2,000 a week on 5 accounts. That doesn't suck. I'll tell you that. Okay. 2,000 a week on 5 accounts. That's 40,000. What's the payout? 80%? That?
Yeah.
That's not what $32,000. $32,000. That doesn't suck. What I miss? You just came late to the dance. Okay. Gold hit 4,010. 4,010 cents, and then got absolutely kabooshed, $20. Okay. All right. Cutting out like crazy. Okay, Mike, we know why that's doing that? Okay. Can it be fixed or no?
I have no idea.
Okay. I don't know what that means. And again, if anybody wants to text me or call me, my number is 914-500-7484. I really want to try to help as many people as possible. Normally I took 400 a day, but last week I made 7,000. Good job, Joshua Torres. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. And yeah, I'll put my number here. If anybody wants to text me or call me, it's right here. That's me directly. Normally I get about 30 text messages each and at 40 at night, and I always will return your text or call. Okay. All right. Walker Hound, how are you? Walker Hound. All right. Really kind of slow night. We got 25 minutes to go here. Denny's birthday. Gold actually hit the 4,000 mark. I really was looking for some action. So I told you I'm going to be right. I said that during the European session, they'll go through 4,000. I said that's what I thought was going to happen here during the European session here. Okay, during the European session. Healthy at health. Where's your best day in gold, trading gold? Oof. Oh, I don't remember, but it was big. Eric Meyer was up a lot earlier, but slammed looking for one more pop here on gold. Well, what'd you do? That 4,000 on gold and silver. What's my number? I just typed it in here. Okay. I'll type it in here again. Okay. Right there. That's my personal cell phone number if anybody wants to contact me. Here. I'll put it in here. Hey, Carl. Okay. I'm kind of slow here tonight, but I am expecting one more push up here. If the 15s reverse a sell on the gold, I still think the 30-minute time frames are going to push up here. I think the 30 minutes going to push up. All right. We have about 30. All right. So, the most important thing here, okay, is to be consistent, right? Obviously, consistency is going to win. And that to me is the most important thing, right? Just, in and out trades, scalping in and out, trading patterns. How do you know when to get in and out? It's based upon my strategy, Adon. You can't, you have to be with me to learn, okay, during the day. I look at 3 time frames, the 15 to 30 and the 60. My algorithm decides the method, my conditions. Once the conditions are met, then bam, I go right into the strategy. All right. Hoping snag market 39.6. Okay. And again, I teach a methodology every single day in my live stream. And that's the most important thing for people to understand. Okay. All right. Trading Bitcoin and that, okay, all-time highs. Anybody trade Bitcoin futures with MyFundedFutures? Anybody? Kabooshed. Does that look good? I don't know. 39.76 could get. I mean, only $4 away here. All right. You got one. I got 10 strategies. I have 10 strategies. Each strategy has a buy and a sell divergence. So I have 3 time frames, 5 conditions, 10 strategies. That's what I have. All right. Again, next week, I hope to be raffling off 10 giveaways for my stream every day at sktrading.live. And that's very valuable. I will tell you, okay, you get the live stream every day from 9 to 4. And then if you like it, and then you just have one strategy center. Okay, well, I have 10. All the strategies are based upon buy and sell divergences. Okay. All right, Patrick C., how are you? Boom AI. We had about 640 people tonight. Very slow night here. Again, China was not going to open up until, I think, the 8th. Right, I got to make a note of that. China, October 8th. They close on the 8th or they open on the 8th?
I think they open on the 8th. I'll check.
All right, no big deal. All right. Again, let's see if this gold can get one more kabooshin here. Speak Arabic, please. I can't. I don't know it. All right. And again, opens on the 9th. There you go. Thank you. So that's what? Thursday? On the 9th. Okay. All right. How are you scaling in and out of positions quickly? Do you have hotkeys? No, I have Michael. Black Mamba 79. If you're still short Black Mamba, that's a great short if you sold 85s. No, I don't put my own orders in. I can. Took 2 shorts on gold. I'm done for today. Thank you, Stephen. Jessica, you're great. Thoughts on NASDAQ? Well, I called along on NASDAQ there. Nothing like a nice kaboosh. Kabooshing. Do you trade London? What are you, crazy? You want to put me in the hospital? I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, trade the European session from 3 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. on the New York session. Okay. I see blood and gold. Me too, brother. Hendrix is the best. I spend about $100 a day on food. No, I'm only kidding. This dog, I'm telling you, I saved his life. But I have to tell you, he is so unbelievable appreciative that he got a second chance. And he's loved beyond words, I tell you. Really, to save a dog and to be able to rescue a dog, I don't know. To me, we saved our Coda. My daughter got him when he was 8 weeks old. I got Hendrix when he was six years old. And he's a big moose. I heard him growl once, actually twice. And I'm telling you, I would not want to be on the other end of that. I'm telling you. But he's a good boy. He protects. Most important. Is there giveaways during Asia, Owen? Yes, but tonight there was a personal problem with we had a personal issue and could not do it. We'll probably do more. Denny has a big plan for tomorrow. Michael Pitts is a dog trainer. You met my Hendrix today. Okay. Thoughts for the market being at all-time highs? I say short the world. That's what I would be. Cool Joker. Happy birthday, Denny. 29 years old. Can you imagine being 29 again? I'm 62. Oh, my God. Lag, sir? Well, we're going to try to fix it. What is the lag? Okay. Again, if anybody wants to join me every single day from 9 to 4, you can go to my website, sktrading.live. Also, I have a podcast every single day on my YouTube channel, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. All right? Can you imagine being 29 again? Will NASDAQ fly? I think NASDAQ's going to get kabooshed. I think the whole market's going to get kabooshed. Okay? JL Trading, how are you? What's the best thing at 29? Can you imagine if I know what I know now at 29? Oh my God. Woo. Years of experience and wisdom. Greenland. Aqua, how are you? Good night, my brother. Black Mamba, when? When what? Aaron, you're 24, Aaron? Good job. Maria C. Now is better? I don't know. I guess. Gold just traded down to 79 again. Right here on the 5-minute. This was the other one. Anybody buy that gold? Like I said, 75, 79. Anybody get that gold again on the long off the 15? Just rallied about 2. No free account drops in 19. Nope. Do you think finally see downside in the markets this week? I do. I actually think that if the interest rate decision is to cut a quarter, I think the market's going to get kabooshed. I think the news is already in the market for interest rate cuts. And let's look at the 30-year bonds really quickly here. All right. So if you look at the 30-year bonds, you can see here 16. Now, you think the 30-year bonds, okay, should be at 19, 20, 23, 24. The 30-year bonds hit a high here, dropped a full point in 2 days. Look at the 30, look at the weekly minute, look at the weekly. I'm in sell mode, right? The ADX is rising. It's got to close above 118 for the weekly to get bullish. Then if you look at this, the monthly, you got to take out 125 and almost 126 on the monthly for the weekly to turn positive. And then I got to tell you, I'm really not bullish on the bonds here. I mean, I think if that comes to a point where the bonds get deeply oversold, okay, I mean, look at this. We were just trading here back in September around the 13 handle, okay, and we rallied 5 points on the bonds, and now, you know, if we get one more push down, I think the bonds, if the bonds push down again to the 13, 14, we'll make a double bottom. Yeah, I mean, well, the market really, with the market rally, about 100 points, 150 points on the S&P. Okay, I still think I'm a visual learner, so it would be definitely helpful to understand your scaling process. Smoke Eater, text me, Smoke Eater, I'll talk to you, 914-500-7484. Michael should show his screen. He can't, he's on a bigger computer, and it's hard to do that. We only trade NAS in gold. I trade S&P in gold. Short those push-ups on gold. I know, Aaron. I think if gold pushes up, but you gotta wait. Okay, gold just rallied just now off the lows. Just rallied about 2. I don't know if anybody bought this here below 79. Just rallied 2. Actually, rallied 3, 4 here. I'm 60 micros deep in MNQ. Is there? God save. You're long the MN? Where? Where's that? The NASDAQ? Where are you long on the NASDAQ? Tell me you're long, because I called the long 05 to 25. Gold 39.73. I don't know. Where are you long the gold? All right, Joshua, take the kids to bed. Good job, up 7,000. Waiting for 39 for top stops for shorts. I'd be careful on the short, Derek. Okay, who's long the NASDAQ here? Give me skull. Anybody? Give me skull. And those of you who are on my YouTube, please, can you subscribe and hit the like button, please? Also, MyFundedFutures, 462 likes. We had over 630 tonight. Okay, Lucas, thank you. Long NASDAQ. Be careful on the NASDAQ. I be scaling out of longs on the NASDAQ up here. 15s are getting overbought. Look at the 30-minute time frame, reverse to sell. This is a bear flag setting up here. Be careful. Stock itch, yes, long, but I said I'd be scaling out of longs on the NASDAQ. Okay, I said look to buy NASDAQ 05 to 25, okay, on the NASDAQ. And on this push down right here, It got down to the what did I say here? 22 handle. Then it pushed up to 41.19 up. Now it's going to VWAP. Okay, stop in the money. Good job, Black Mamba. Good job. All right, we got about 14 minutes to go. 14 minutes. My God, very slow Asian. I think we did like 3 overall, 3 or 4. Very slow here. Good job, Stockitch. Was scaling, take some, add some, did real nice. What? Dr. Pop, what? Was scaling to take some, add some. That makes no sense. I need a scotch. I don't know what he means by that. Do you ever look at NKD? What the hell is NKD? What is NKD? What the hell is NKD? I can't get the symbol. What is it? 25 to 44. You're scaling out of longs. Good job. Maria C. Come to see me in Jupiter, Maria. Okay, anybody? My door is open. Just text me at a time. Nikkei? I think it's a Nikkei, right? No, I don't look at the Nikkei. How many things do you want me to look at? How come I can't get the symbol here on TradeStation? All right. I got 10 more minutes. Then I got to go home to walk Hendricks, watch some football, wash my face, brush my teeth, get ready for the next day. Jupiter is very far from Earth. I don't know if I can make it. You can make it. Okay. Pop up to take 2 off, pull back, then on the 32.50. Pop up, Steve. Take 2 off, pull back, then Dr. Popaluk, Popnif. Oh my God. Where's Bitcoin going? I think down. What's your view on Santa Claus Valley? I think we've had it. I think it's already in. Do you play golf? Absolutely not. I play with friends, but I don't play Scratch Off Millionaires. I'm in MGC in 10 minutes or shutting down the night. Micro Gold. It's very quiet. This is probably one of the quietest nights we've had in about 4. I'm now really considering doing the Sunday night. Okay. Named him after Jimi Hendrix. I don't know. I didn't name Hendrix. He came that way. I call him Hendrix. He turns his big head. I can't call him anything. I call him Moose. He won't even look at me. The dog is gigantic. He barrels everybody over. But he's such a good-hearted dog. Really good-hearted dog. He really is. I have to say, I really am. I feel good that I saved his life, and he has a good home now. That's all I care about. What indicators are you using in your chart? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brazero, man. Okay, I got 8 minutes to go. This is my pivot line. This is my weighted moving average here. Okay, it's too slow, Black Mamba. Indicators 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a standard MACD, 12.26.9. When you have a blue over yellow, I just name it a negative MACD. Yellow over blue is a positive MACD. This is a directional movement with ADX and buying and selling pressure. This is my own overbought oscillator right here, indicator 3, and this is my own proprietary algorithm. You can see here if gold takes out the 79 level, 79.5, the 15s are going to reverse the sell, but fear not, the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still in buy mode here. This is probably one of the Victor Piera Sunday night. Let's do it. I don't know. I got to think about it. I'm probably going to do it, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how I can do this. But I'm thinking about it because I saw some Tokyo sessions that on 6 o'clock on the index futures that just went wild. I love it. The overlay is a game changer. Michael Pitts, thank you very much. And again, those of you who want to join me every single day, my website is sktrading.live. I do not stream on YouTube. I have my own private channel. And if you'd like to join me, you can be part of something great. Okay. The event you're trying to put on any info. I don't know what that means, Lee. You probably don't need to do it every Sunday because you need the rest too. Can I tell you something? I love doing this. You guys have no idea. You guys have no idea. Really. I love it. I love it. I live 6 minutes away from here and 6 minutes away from the beach. So NASDAQ's running. I know I called the long off the 60-minute. Okay. Oh, Diana. Hi, Diana. Diana, I can't wait to see. I got my internet back up, Michael. What happened?
Oh, fixed.
You didn't do anything, did you?
It was DNS problem.
Okay, got my internet, Diana. Diana, look at your t-shirt waiting for you, darling. Paw on the mouse, Diana. Look at this. It's right here. Paw on the mouse. I made it special for you. Okay. Oh, yeah. Are you crazy? Stock itch, you have no idea. Okay. Diana, wait till you meet Hendricks. He's the size of Secretariat. Oh, there's my S&Ps. Wait. There goes it. Hey, there goes the mark. There goes the. Okay, I finally got data. So the NASDAQ ran off down about 20. Okay. Gold's doing absolutely nothing. Finally got my internet up. You love that. Oh, forget it. Yesterday, there was a gigantic. Diana, yesterday I was driving to my house. There was a gigantic turtle. He had to be like probably, I don't know, maybe 3 feet wide. 3 feet, no, about 3.5 feet long and like 1.5 feet wide. And 19 cars had to stop while this thing took about 8 minutes to cross the street. Unbelievable. Oh, wait till you see Hendricks. You hear him slobbering when he drinks out of his bowl here? Oh my God, it's hysterical. Hysterical. Absolutely hysterical. All right, we got about 5 minutes. Again, I want to thank everybody. I want to thank MyFundedFutures for sponsoring tonight and hosting the event. Again, we had a personal situation here. That's why we couldn't do any raffles tonight. But Luke will be back. And God willing, tomorrow night we'll have Denny here. Denny's celebrating his 29th birthday. Can you believe it? Adam Daz. And hopefully we'll get 1,000 people. I think Denny's going to have something really nice to show everybody tomorrow. And again, everybody, give me a skull. Anybody, again, I stream every day from 9 to 4. If you guys want to be in my private channel, go to my website, sktrading.live. It's about $4.30 a day. If you can't afford that, a cup of coffee at Starbucks is more. S&P's just rallied 2.5, 3. There goes the NASDAQ. Okay, again, off the 60-minute time frame. I think the NASDAQ right here should be setting up a short soon above 50. All right. Bintov, have a great night. Thank you. Sampir Fee 007. All right. Thank you for getting the likes up today. You'll be trading all night, Derek. Why not? Right. Thank you, Adam, for the nice words. Hypercube, thank you very much. Again, I'm going to hopefully in a week or so, Michael told me I'll be actually looking to have a giveaway for 2 weeks for free to my live stream. Okay. It is nanoseconds, so it's like that. No delay of 10, 20, 30 seconds. Gold absolutely pulled a quiet one on us tonight, but that means tomorrow should be more action. And the 9th, when Asia comes back, gold can't even seem to get any kind of pop. What do you think? I think gold's exhausted. Good night, Victor Piera. Have a great night. Okay. Who's hyped for the rest of the week? I am. Gold was clean at least. It was nice. It was nice. It was nice. I was hoping when it pushed through 4,000, you got that. So do you remember like a couple of nights ago when gold pushed through 3,900, I think about a week ago? Gold pushed through 3,900, 3,906, 3,905, and then boom, kabooshed down 20, right? Okay, that's what I was hoping for gold. All right. With that being said, we got 2 minutes to go in the night. Again, thank you for understanding with the technical issues tonight. Everything will be fixed tomorrow. Aaron, your check is being FedEx to you, so I want to make sure you get that. Raphael trades. I don't forget anything about trading, okay? Killer overpower. It wasn't for me today. Can you explain to me something when you can? Anybody who wants to ask me any questions, please text me 914-500-7484. All right. Okay, why don't we just cut out a little? There goes the gold. There goes the S&Ps. S&Ps rallied 3 tonight. Gold rallied, wow, 22. What it was low? 22 up to gold rallied 26. All right. Side Sage, okay, thank you for the rest of your Eddie Sargent. Good job. God bless you, Weed Keyed. Okay, 44, the Punisher. Thank you very much. Again, I don't want anybody being fearful of trading any asset. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay, absolutely not. Okay, you should be confident. One of my 5 keywords. Okay, you guys want to learn my methodology? No problem. I'm happy to teach it to you. It's simple. It just takes a little time, but it's all based upon visualization and repetition. And I think it can change your life. Okay. And that's all I'm here for. I'm here for you guys to be consistent. I'm here for you guys to be great traders. All I care about is you guys making money. Period. Every single day, be in the green. With that being said, God bless you. It's 10 o'clock. I'll see you all tomorrow. And most importantly, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.